Hey Beauty Glam sisters, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and hello to the new Beauty Glam sisters. Welcome to my channel. My name is Danny MUA, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I remove my makeup using the Pond's Cold Cream Cleanser, Moisturize Deep Cleanser, and Makeup Remover. This is my go-to makeup remover. I love this. It takes off the makeup like that. Watch. Let me take off my lashes first because I don't want to ruin them. Save those bad boys for next time. And all I do is I open it, you know, grab about maybe that much and do this. Put it everywhere. Let me take off my hat so I won't ruin it. Like that. Put it everywhere and I just rub it in. That's all I do. Rub, rub, rub. And no, this was Jeffree Star lipstick, and those are hard to come off, so do that. Clean by the eyes. Okay, now that I did that, I'm gonna grab a warm towel. Alright, the next thing I grab is this towel and just wipe it off. And it's like magic. It all erases. See? Everything came off. Same thing to this side. Okay, just soak it in one more time and just do the final touches. Okay, final touches. Alrighty, and that is it. Your face is clean, moisturized, and everything. Now you're ready to go take a shower. You're done. You're complete. Everything is gone. No eyeliner. No Jeffree Star lipstick at all. Alright, so if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a big like, share this video, and continue being a Beauty Glam sister. I appreciate every single last one of you Beauty Glam sisters. Till next time, bye.